Welcome back. Let's get right into things this morning. We do have this winter weather advisory that is in effect until 6 p.m. later this evening. It kicks in later this morning into the afternoon period for a little bit of ice, a little bit of a wintry mix that we'll be expecting. You can also see we have a winter storm warning up in Ashland County, and that is up until 6 p.m. Also including Bayfield County, also up until 6 p.m. as we head towards your Wednesday. So we'll probably see some new advisories issued this evening once the other ones expire. So here's a general idea here. So we've had a little bit of precipitation tracking in from the southwest to the north and east. We're in a little bit of a break right now. We're going to be watching for more that will be moving in later on. A little bit more of a bigger picture here. We have the clouds, a little bit of a break from some of the thicker clouds, but there's more off towards the south and west with the center of low pressure that is moving in our direction, and it looks something like this. So located right about in here, tracking from the southwest, going for the north and east, even some lighting with that as well as thunderstorms further off towards the south and east where tornado watches are up in the southern U.S. as a result of this system. So a very dynamic system that is developing out there this morning. So for us, watching out for that wintry mix that will be possible, knocking on the door of our viewing area, moving in pretty much by about midday and lasting for a good part of the afternoon, with a little bit of a break by about 7 o'clock or so later on tonight. It will not be as heavy. But then later on overnight and early Wednesday morning, the snow moves in with a center of low pressure that will be sticking around, and that snow won't go away for a while. It'll be rotating around this area of low pressure, continuing through Thursday morning, and late in the day Thursday into Thursday night, that's when the snow will start to taper off. So the first round that we have to watch out for is a little bit of ice that is on the way. So at least through this afternoon to the evening time frame, about 1/10 to maybe 2/10 of an inch of ice possible in a few areas here, mainly along and south of Rhinelander in a few spots, but everyone does have an equal opportunity for 1/10 of an inch or less of ice before we're all finished up here, before we do transition to some snow. But a lot of the snowfall won't really begin, though, until later this afternoon, with maybe about 1/2 inch or less possible through this afternoon. The more accumulating snow on the way later on tonight through early Wednesday morning. But all in all, at least from now through parts of early Thursday morning, it looks like this: 3 to 6 inches of snow on the way for this range here, 1 to 3 inches of snow in the white right here, and then the pink right here, that's 6 to 10 inches of snow on the way. Obviously, locally higher amounts cannot be ruled out in these areas, so once we do switch over to snow as we head towards early Wednesday morning. So either way, travel will be messy with this, but the snowmobile trails will definitely love the new snow that will be on the way. On top of this, so we do have gusty winds on the way that can reach up to around 30 to 40 miles per hour as well, and east to west winds, so I'll have to watch this as it does develop too. On top of that, though, temperatures right now, they're below freezing, so anything that falls will either hit the ground as sleet or freezing rain or even some snow, so frozen precipitation expected, with temperatures near freezing farther down toward the south. So your forecast for today looks like this: lower 30s, rain, freezing rain, sleet, and snow. The northeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. As for tonight, upper 20s, that wintry mix switching over to snow. Obviously, some breaks expected today and tonight. The northeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. The Northwoods Furniture and Mattress 7-day forecast. It looks like this. So more snow lingering as we head towards Thursday. Highs in the upper 20s. Obviously, highs in the lower 30s, excuse me, as we head towards Wednesday as well. Then Friday, partly cloudy. Saturday, partly cloudy. And Sunday, partly cloudy. Temperatures in the middle to upper 20s. And we're mostly cloudy, upper 20s by Monday.